There are 3 supplements that you desperately need if you're over the age of 40. So let's talk about them. The first one is Zypan, critical digestive enzyme, because over the age of 40, you're losing progressively digestive enzyme production. The further you are from the age of 23, the less enzymes that you produce. Have stress on top of that, then you're really not producing enzymes. And I believe one of the major components of why we age that nobody talks about except me is the lack of digestive enzyme, because you are what you eat. Remember you heard that phrase, you are what you eat? No, you are what you digest. And if you're not digesting, your body's not getting the nutrition it needs, it begins to break down. So Zypan is hydrochloric acid and pepsin, absolutely amazing to break down proteins, which is another big thing that you're going to be missing and losing as you age progressively over the age of 40. Zypan, hydrochloric acid, you take 2 per meal, sometimes 3 or 4 if you have a really large meal. And it'll make you feel like you just ate a salad. So it'll really take the stress off your digestion, but it'll really help you to absorb your nutrients. So the second nutrient would be Prima EPA DHA. This is one that I take every day. It's a fish oil supplement that's very clean of heavy metals and chemicals. It's really, really fresh. Why? And you probably heard why fish oil is so good for you. It's great for your brain. Your brain is over 60% fat. It's really, really great for your cardiovascular system. It's also great for inflammation. It's very anti-inflammatory, so it can help your joints as well. Tremendous fish oil supplement, and I always caution people to take a really fresh, but also very, very clean fish oil supplement that is free of chemicals. This one is certified to be clean of all that stuff. So Prima DHA, I take 6 a day. You want to get enough fish oil in it, enough fish oil in your body. The third supplement, Cineplex. It's sort of a whole food multivitamin that will fill in the gaps from your diet where you're not getting those nutrients in your diet. This is really going to fill in the gaps for you. It's a lot more easily digestible, so therefore your absorption of your nutrients from it's going to be far better. There's nothing in here that's synthetic. This is all whole food based, but it also supports your organ systems because it has extracts from all those vital organ systems, so it's going to help support your organs as well. Tremendous supplement. I hope this helps. I'd love to hear some questions that you might have. My name is Dr. Augustine. I'm on social media. I'm on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, as well as TikTok. Have a great day.